Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a zine and what to draw inside them. So for those of you who doesn't know what a zine is, it's basically a smaller kind of handbook with 8 sides that you can draw on. Yeah, so we're going to start off with just folding paper and kind of cutting it to form the actual zine. I feel like what I'm showing in the video is pretty self-explanatory, so I will just let you watch it and kind of explain it, and if you still don't get it, you can just always search on YouTube for other better videos. So the kind of paper I'm using here is actually good sketchbook paper. You could always just take printing A4 paper if you don't have this. I just feel like this paper has a better quality and the drawings end up drawing on it will be better. And yeah, as you see, you will have to cut off a hole in the middle so you can fold it like so. In order to form and to a small handbook. And here we are, we're already done with the actual paper, and now we're gonna see what we can do on it. But before we start, we need to write down the page number for each page, so when you open the whole paper, you know which page is for which page, if that makes any sense. I mean, the most convenient way that you could search for any inspiration is just go onto Pinterest. I basically searched up zine design and a bunch of ideas came to me and I started drawing. I feel like this is not much a graphic design, I think it's more of a illustration because I chose the title to be Everything Sucks, and all the little illustrations and stories inside tells the not so good little things that happens in our life, and I think it's kind of interesting to draw all of them out. So here, as you can see, I've already used a pencil to kind of sketch for what I want it to look like and use a fine liner to make it better. Then I use thick permanent marker to write out a title, so it's kind of like boom in your face. And after that, once the outlining is done, we can start coloring them in, or you can make them black and white, whichever way you want it. So here I am using the Crayola Super Tips markers that I really love. The colors are really aesthetic, and I chose kind of like contrasting blue and orange combination. And here I am done with the first page, and I'm sketching out the rest of it, and let's see what it looks like. So done without outlining and coloring of everything. So this is my first zine I've ever made in a while done. So as I said, this will be a series of zines. So every time I finish something, I'll post it on Instagram, and I created my own hashtag called Everything Sucks Zine, and you could always search that on IG if you want to see all of my works. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you can make something like this for yourself as well. It's just a really fun, creative thing that you could do when you're bored. Well, maybe not for right now because everyone's having all different kinds of tests, but this summer we're not going to be able to go anywhere, so I hope that you can make something like this as well. Bye, see you next time.